How can you use your surroundings to learn more English? چون دارو برکت بکار بینید با فیربونی زیاتر انگلیسی. Today I want to give you 4 ideas so that your surroundings are helping you to learn English. بعد از پی بکین, let's get started. First, write the English names for things on a sticker and put that sticker on that thing. ناوی انگلیزی شتێک بینوسە لەسەر لەزگەیەک ئەو لەزگەیە دابنە لەسەری. For example, for your mirror, awenakat, write mirror on a sticker and put it on the mirror. Every day when you look at your mirror, you will see its name in English. You can do this for so many things in your house. And when your brain sees the English name of something hundreds or thousands of times, it will remember it forever. Second, change the language setting on your phone, computer, and social media accounts. زمانی مۆبایلەکەت و کۆمپیوتەرەکەت و ئەکاونتەکانت لەسەر تۆرە کۆمەڵایەتیەکان بیگۆڕە بۆ زمانی ئینگلیزی. If you do this, then every time that you use your phone, your computer, or your social media accounts, you will be seeing English words instead of Kurdish words. Because we use these things every day, this is a great way to get more English into your daily environment. Third, have lots of English books in your house. زۆر کتێبی ئینگلیزی دابنێن لەناو خانووەکەت. Even if you don't read them, your eyes will be seeing the English titles, and your brain will be getting familiar with the words and the letters of the English titles. But it's even better if you read these books, even if it's for only 5 minutes a day. But you won't read them if you don't have them. So, fill your house with interesting English books that you want to read. Fourth, listen to English music when you are at home or in your car. گوێی لە گۆڕانی ئینگلیزی بکرە کاتێک لە ماڵیت یان کاتێک سەیارەت لێخوڕیت. We humans love to listen to music, and music is an amazing way to learn things, including language. Music activates the right side of your brain, and language activates the left side of your brain. So when you are listening to English songs, you are activating both sides of your brain, and this makes for better learning. Music is also one of the best ways to remember something for the rest of your life. Again, I hope this advice was helpful for you. هیوادارم ئەموژگاریە بەسوود بوو بێت بۆ تۆ. ئەگەر بەڵێ بێت تکایە سێری ڤیدیۆەکانی ترم بکە دەربارەی ئامۆژگاریەکەم بۆ فێربوونی زمانی ئینگلیزی. Check out my other videos where I give you tips for learning the English language. Until tomorrow, هەتا سبەینێ، خواحافیز.